Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's Misconception in Astronomy, we are going to talk about our sky and find out if blue skies are reflected ocean light. So let's go ahead and get started. And a common explanation for why the sky is blue is that it reflects the color of Earth's oceans. After all, the oceans look blue when we see them from above, and the sky and ocean often appear blue together. It sounds reasonable, but it's actually not correct. If the sky were blue because of reflected ocean light, then the sky over deserts or far inland would look different. But no matter where you are on Earth, the daytime sky is blue. So what's really going on? Well, the idea persists because reflection is something that we're familiar with. We see reflections in mirrors, lakes, and windows all the time. And since water often looks blue, it's easy to assume that the sky is simply mirroring the ocean. But science often challenges ideas that feel intuitive. In this case, the real explanation has nothing to do with the oceans and everything to do with sunlight and Earth's atmosphere. While sunlight may look white, it's actually made up of many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And when sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it interacts with tiny gas molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. So these molecules scatter incoming sunlight in all directions, and this process is what is known as Rayleigh scattering. And it's the key to understanding why the sky appears blue. Not all colors scatter equally. Shorter wavelengths scatter more efficiently than the longer wavelengths. Blue and violet light have much shorter wavelengths than red light, so they are scattered far more as sunlight passes through the atmosphere. We see this specifically at sunrise and sunset, when sunlight travels through more atmosphere and there is more scattering. The red light gets through, making the rising or setting sun look red, but the blue light is scattered. As a result, the scattered light we see from every direction in the sky appears blue. This is also why astronauts see a black sky from space. Without an atmosphere, there is no scattering. Interestingly, the ocean often looks blue because it reflects the blue sky, not the other way around. Water also absorbs red light more effectively than blue, enhancing the effect. So while oceans can appear blue, it's not responsible for the sky's color. In fact, the relationship works in the opposite direction. So the sky is blue because Earth's atmosphere scatters blue light from the sun more efficiently than the other colors. The ocean doesn't color the sky, the atmosphere does. And in reality, the oceans are blue because they reflect the light from the blue sky. So that concludes this week's Misconception in Astronomy on blue skies being reflected ocean light. We'll be back again next week for another topic in astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.